Year 11. Today you're going to be spending the entire lesson establishing and consolidating your study notes for the Judaism topic. So essentially you're going to be accessing Google Classroom firstly, and via Google Classroom you're going to be accessing a document that has just popped up on the screen. That is a template for how I would like you to take your syllabus notes. As you would have noticed, this template is a carbon copy essentially of the syllabus from the Board of Studies, which you would be able to see here on the screen now. So the first dot point you'll see will focus on Abraham the Covenant, and the writing practice questions are focusing on the students learn to. For example, outline the life of Abraham and describe the covenant with the patriarchs, including the promises of a people and a land. Notice the directional terms outline and describe, so they are pretty much questions that you can practice answering to show your knowledge of the content, but also your way of communicating the knowledge. So in this part here, I would like you to not write massive sentences or large paragraphs, but just short, snappy dot points that cover detailed information. That will essentially help you answer the questions in the writing practice below. For example, you could write something as simple as is considered a father of Judaism. Another one you could write down is Abraham established a covenant with God, and so forth and so forth. That goes all the way down through each single thing that we've studied in class so far. Section 2, Principal Beliefs, and Section 3, Sacred Text and Writing. It is crucial that you spend this next 60 minutes in class doing this appropriately, because essentially in the half yearlies, you could be asked anything on any of these dot points. And it's also very important that you don't just do the first part and not the writing practice, because these are kind of questions that you could be asked in an exam. And if you cover all the dot points and you practice all these responses, then you are preparing yourself for the exam, and essentially you're prepared for anything that they throw at you. In regards to the writing practice, just write any answer as an extended paragraph, so just a 5 marker, and focus on writing complex sentences and try to move away from writing simple sentences. One last thing is to access this. Of course, it'll be on Google Classrooms here, but if you need to access notes that you may not have taken down in class, if you go to the About section, all the PowerPoints on all the different dot points of the syllabus are there, and you can access them and have rights to them. So I hope that's helpful, and good luck getting that done, and I will check on that on Tuesday.